Hello and welcome to the inventory section of the Notion for Artists template. Just as we've looked before in the portfolio bodies of work section, now we can see a section dedicated specifically to the property that we mentioned, which is its availability. In your inventory, you want to make sure you're on top of price, details about your piece, locality and provenance. But one of the most important views we need to understand and be able to see at a moment's notice is, the status of our art pieces. What pieces are available? What pieces have we donated? And what pieces have we sold? This will help us, one, manage our current inventory, as well as allow us to better understand what is getting a positive reception. What pieces have connected with our audience or galleries? What pieces have we decided to donate, and what pieces are still available? And so that gives us more of an informed decision-making power when engaging with our active inventory.